Welcome to CDL Prep, brought to you by AmirUSA.com. Today we will be going over some questions and answers to help get you ready for the CDL. We will begin with the general knowledge portion.
إذا أعجبكم هذا الفيديو يرجى الاشتراك بالقناة وتفعيل زر الجرس. يمكنكم طلب كتبنا من موقع AmirUSA.com، كتاب الCDL للشاحنات وكتاب الCDL للباصات، باص المدينة أو باص المدرسة.
Question 151. Can state inspectors inspect your truck or bus? The answer, yes, and they can put you out of service if unsafe. Question number 152. Which of these statements about cargo loading is true? The answer, a state law dictates legal weight limit. Question 153. Which of these is not required knowledge for drivers seeking a hazardous material endorsement? The answer, basic chemistry. Question number 154. To determine a blood alcohol concentration level for a person, it is necessary to know. The answer, how much a person weighs. Question 155. Implied consent means. The answer, you are giving your consent to be tested for alcohol in your blood. Question 156. The engine brake effect is greater when the engine is near governed RPM and the transmission is on a lower gear. Question 157. You are driving a 40-foot vehicle at 55 miles per hour. The road is dry and visibility is good. What is the least amount of space that you need to have in front of your vehicle? The answer, 5 seconds. Question 158. What should you do if a car coming toward you at night keeps its high beams on? The answer, look to the right lane or edge markings of the road. Question 159. If you must cross into the oncoming lane to make a turn, you should. The answer, watch for oncoming traffic. Question number 160. Which of these is true about driving in a tunnel? The answer, there may be strong winds when exiting. Question 161. You should use your horn when. The answer, if it helps to avoid a crash. Question 162. The tread depth on front steering wheel tires should be. The answer, not less than 4/32 of an inch. Question 163. Your vehicle will be put out of service if 1/4 or more leaves if any leaf springs are missing. Question 164. Brake drums or discs must not have cracks longer than half the width of the friction area. Question 165. A hazard is any road condition or other road user that is a possible danger. Question 166. You are driving a heavy vehicle. You must exit a highway using an off-ramp that curves downhill. You should. Answer, slow down to a safe speed before the turn. Question 167. Which of these rigs has a higher chance to off track while making a turn? The answer, a tractor with 45 feet trailer. Question 168. How much space in front of you is needed while driving on a highway? The answer, 1 second for each 10 feet of vehicle length. Question 169. Medicine used to treat the common cold. The answer, often makes you sleepy and should not be used while driving. Question 170. Which of these should you not do as an emergency? Answer, it is not important how you brake in an emergency situation. Question 171. The primary cause of fatal crashes is driving too fast. Question 172. A car suddenly cuts in front of you, creating a hazard. Which of these actions should you not take? The answer, honk your horn and stay close behind the car. Question 173. What should you do when you see a hazard in the roadway ahead of you? The answer, use your four-way flashers or brake lights to warn others. Question 174. If your brakes fail on a downgrade, you must first. Answer, look outside of your vehicle for another means of slowing down. Question 175. You should always turn on your emergency four-way flashers when you. Answer, park on the side of the road.
إذا أعجبكم هذا الفيديو يرجى الاشتراك بالقناة وتفعيل زر الجرس. يمكنكم طلب كتبنا من موقع USA.com، كتاب الCDL للشاحنات وكتاب الCDL للباصات، باص المدينة أو باص المدرسة.